Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos into your gallery in your Oppo Reno 7. Firstly, open your standard application Photos and choose your photos from gallery. So I've got 2 photos, press and hold to select these all photos, and on the bottom we got set up as private. So press, and now need to turn on private save, press OK. Now statement of use, choose agree and continue, private save, and tap enable. Now you need to enter your privacy password. If you don't get this password, you need set up. So now tap got it, and we activate our private save. So click back, and one more time press and hold to select, and tap set as private. And now we got successful message. So touch and hold a tab to view its image. Tap OK, and now on the bottom we got our tabs, photos, albums, and Explorer. And now for open our hide photos, press and hold, enter our privacy password, and here we got hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.